How to fix TikTok grant permission on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok grant permission on Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps, and now go to TikTok, click on it, and here you will find permissions, and here all you need to do just allow all of those here. This one, calendar, allow, and contacts, click allow, and location allow. And now just go back and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. It's easy. And then click for stop. Before you try again, just go click here for stop and go try again now, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.